what we're looking at here is the previously installed Fume unit that is insufficient for the booths that are in place. And so what we're doing is we're getting some dimensions, some layout, so that we can determine what is the most appropriate layout for the new system. Here we see the ductwork coming off of the previous Fume unit, and as we move on into the booths, we've taken the dimensions. We're approximately 5 feet by 4. And you can see the ductwork runs all along the top of each booth and drops down into the right-hand side of each booth. We've taken the dimensions of each booth and they are all set up the same. So all we need to do is essentially channel this ductwork so that we can remove the fumes from the existing work area and take them outside. You can see that currently the ductwork goes up and overhead across the shop. There is some ductwork that goes down into the center of the building and some that goes along the top of the shop all the way out to the unit. What we'd like to do is we'd like to take that ductwork out to a unit on this side of the building. Here you see the electrical panels in the back end of the shop, and we're going to probably be utilizing some of that. There is an exit close by, and then there's a large garage door style opening. What we'd like to do is we'd like to take the ducting and we'd like to transfer that to where the unit is outside the building. We do have some room to work with outside the building. Specifically, there is an electrical panel located close to the door. So what we've been told is that we can actually remove the acetylene that is currently positioned here and use this entire wall space as needed to install this new unit. If we look up, we can see that there is some existing ductwork coming out of the building. The ductwork that we were looking at previously inside actually comes up over the top from south to north and then comes out approximately at this point. So all of this needs to be looked at and a determination made whether we can employ any of that existing duct or if we need to just take it out and install it as a whole. So what we're looking at now is the scope of the shop, starting with the north end, scanning around, moving over to the south end where all the welding booths are located. We do have 5 welding booths currently, and those are the 5 welding booths that are needing the improved ventilation. We are going to be submitting the dimensions so that we can be sure that the way the ductwork is laid out is the most appropriate and fitting not only to the shop use, but also to the type of equipment that's being installed.